Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Bang Bang Shrimp is on the menu today. We'll need sriracha, mayo, sweet chili sauce, Thai chili sauce if you can get it, cornstarch, and shrimp. Y'all know what I always say, ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. Alright, we're jumping right into this thing. But if you haven't hit that like and that subscribe button, do so now. Hit that like, subscribe, that share, hit that bell for notifications so you'll be one of the first ones to know when I put up a new video. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do, jumping right into this, is we're going to pour some cornstarch into a sandwich bag or freezer bag. Just put it in something. You can put it in a bowl. Now, you don't have to season your shrimp or anything. You don't have to do anything extra. This is one of the easiest recipes ever. Easiest and the best. So, no, if you want to put a little salt or something on your shrimp, you can, but I'm telling you, it's just not going to be necessary. All right? All right, so we're going to throw our shrimp down in that cornstarch. Now, while we're doing that, you want to heat your oil. So, when you get you want to get your oil heated up to 350 degrees. Now, if it's at like 325, 350, that's fine. You want your oil hot enough so they'll quickly fry your shrimp. Like, those shrimp get ready literally in minutes. And I don't mean 5 minutes either. I literally mean like 2 to 3 minutes. This is going to get ready. All right, so I'm going to list the ingredients in the description box down below, but you're going to get some mayo. Get some mayo put in here. All right, so this is like a half a cup of mayo. So easy, half a cup of mayo. All right, so we're going to put a quarter cup of the chili sauce. So if you can find Thai chili sauce, it'll work even better, but I have chili sauce, so half a cup of mayo, quarter cup of chili sauce, and you're going to put sriracha to your taste. So if you like your stuff kind of spicy and kind of hot, then you're going to put more than 4 little squirts there. You're going to put about 10 squirts. But I put 4, so I kind of left it on the mild side. All right, so we're going to mix this up really quickly. Now, as soon as we mix this up, I promise you we can set this to the side. That's how darn easy this recipe is. Okay, you see how I'm moving? Let's set it right to the side. We good. All right, so we're going to move right on. Right on while you're watching. Everything I do very, very quickly. All right, so I did not check the temperature of the oil because I checked the temperature of the oil before I started. And it was already between 300 and 325. So I knew by the time I mixed that up, I put that cornstarch in there, that it would be between the 325 and 350 where I needed it. So I'm going to put these in here. Now with this cornstarch, so they're not going to get like super, super, super crispy. That's not going to happen. But what you're going to do is you're going to get a nice, slightly crispy coating on the outside of the shrimp, and that's what you're looking for because of the fact that we're going to cover it in this sauce. So it's going to take 2 to 3 minutes to cook, and that 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to be good to go. Trust me when I tell you that. All right, so I'm going to get them all in the pan. So just make sure you check your bag and they're all in. Cornstarch is messy. I tell you, flour already is, but cornstarch is messy. All right, so Bonefish Grill is most noted for this recipe. So if you've been there, then you know how good the Bang Bang Shrimp is. And trust me, this recipe is right on point with it. It's got it. It's so quick. It's so easy, but it's so darn good. Trust me, it's really good. All right, so it goes on top of a bed of lettuce. Now, if you have butter lettuce for presentation purposes, it looks even better. So if you have butter lettuce, that's good. Cornstarch is messy, like I told you, so I'm trying to clean my area off here. Now, what's going to happen is we're going to let the shrimp go for a couple minutes. I'm going to come right back and show you what happens when the shrimp gets ready. All right, so I'm back. Get yourself a bowl with some paper towels for draining. If you want to get a rack and put paper towels under that rack, you can do that. Don't overcook the shrimp, I'm telling you. So if you're waiting for it to get a golden brown or super, super crispy, that's not going to happen. Don't do it. You're going to overcook your shrimp and you're going to make them kind of tough, and your recipe is not going to be that good. So you want to cook these just until you get a C shape. You do not want them to close up. If they close up into an O shape, I guarantee you they are overcooked. So you want them into a nice C shape. So if you get them to where they're even almost closed, that's cool. Just don't let them close up, because if they do, oh, no. You get a perfectly circular shrimp, that's closed up and cooked, trust me, it's overcooked. All right, so enough on that one. All right, got the shrimp out, so got them drained, so take a look at that. Again, I'm telling you, it's just quick dish, but a little messy, so. All right, so I'm going to pour the shrimp right into the sauce. Now, what's going to happen is if you put this sauce in a bag, you can shake these up, and that's cool. But I put them in a bowl, so because I put them in a bowl, what's going to happen is we're just going to turn them over in the sauce really good. So we're just going to turn them over until every shrimp is coated. So you want to make sure you got this sauce on every single one. This is so good. Definitely an appetizer, but definitely a great appetizer. So if you are having drinks before dinner, you're having wine, champagne, trust me, this goes great with all of them. Makes no difference which one you're having. So drinks and this appetizer, ding, 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 winner, winner. Most definitely. Winner, winner, baby. All right, so I'm going to push that back because that's hot. So if you're a newbie, you're a beginner in the kitchen, careful when you're done with something like that, especially a cast iron skillet. They hold heat. So after a while, when you think they've cooled off and you touch it, burn yourself. So if you're a newbie in the kitchen, move your cast iron skillet back out of your way so it can cool off. Give it all the time it needs. Trust me when I tell you that they hold heat, but they hold heat very well. All right, so now the thing you want to do with this shrimp now is you want to get this shrimp put on a bed of lettuce. So you see what I'm doing? I got a bag of lettuce here. But like I said, if you have butter lettuce for presentation purposes, that's even prettier. All right, so we're going to put it on some regular lettuce because that's what I have here today. But get yourself some romaine or something greener. It's even prettier. This dish against a greener lettuce is beautiful. So, but you use what you have. So y'all know my saying, your kitchen, your rules. So you use what you have and you deal with it. So long as your food tastes good. You must make it look good, but it definitely has to be backed up by tasting good. All right. So, all right. So I'm picking the little carrots out of here. A couple of the leaves I don't want, so I didn't want the too many of those carrots in there. So, and believe it or not, this bang bang shrimp, on top of that, you can eat that lettuce, and so you can eat this with a fork. So you can eat the entire dish. So you scoop dig your fork down in there to get that shrimp. Get some of that lettuce too. So you can almost eat it like you got a salad on the bottom of it. You know what I'm saying? Yep, look how pretty that is. That is beautiful. Yes. Absolutely, I love the color. So that's why I was saying it. If you get some darker green lettuce, oh man, it just offsets. That color just pops. It's just beautiful. Because this is so doggone good. Trust me when I tell you that it is really, really good. All right, so look at that. Me licking my fingers because that sauce it's on point. Trust me, you will not be disappointed with that sauce. Baby, it is on point. All right, so look at that. Yes, indeed, that's beautiful. Now, green onions on the top, and it's done. So I want to show you what it looks like up close. Bang, bang shrimp, and trust me, it's good. Y'all better go make this. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.